How to use Epsom salt in the garden and why. Hello everybody, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. So today we're going to be talking about various ways you can use Epsom salt in the garden and why you should use Epsom salt in the garden. Epsom salt, as you may know, many soils in the US and other parts of the world are naturally lacking in certain minerals and nutrients. Epsom salt, which is also known as magnesium sulfate, provides two nutrients that are essential for the development of vigorous plants, and these two nutrients are magnesium and sulfur. Magnesium is crucial for cell wall development and aids in the plant intake of essential nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and sulfur. Sulfur is often used by gardeners as a beneficial soil additive that is used to correct alkalinity in the soil, and it helps prevent sulfur deficiency. Sometimes when your plant leaves are yellowing or showing like these, they are lacking sulfur or magnesium, and providing it with the Epsom salt will help it get the important nutrients it needs in its development. So using Epsom salt in the garden, this is a mixture you mix for regular plants and vegetables. You mix a tablespoon of Epsom salt to a gallon of water, and mix it up and make sure it's completely dissolved. Right here I'm just using a regular stick to mix it up so that it's completely dissolved before I use it. And once it's completely dissolved, you can use it to water the base of the plant. So if you're planting fruits and vegetables, you want to sprinkle it around the base of the plant. You want to soak the base of the plant with it, and especially at the beginning of the growing period, during the growing season, you want, like I said, you want to water it regularly, and you want to make sure that it's you water mostly the base of the plant with it. You can also use this solution to water the base of your fruit trees. The same solution I have in my gallon, I'm going to water the base of my fruit trees. Or you can also sprinkle, what you do is you sprinkle a teaspoon for every foot height of the tree. So if the tree is 5 feet, you're going to sprinkle 5 teaspoons of Epsom salt around the bottom of the tree, then you water it with it. You can also use it around the base of your plants by just sprinkling 1 or 2 tablespoon of Epsom salt, and then just water it with your hose. Or you can use it when planting. Just put about 2 or 3 tablespoon of Epsom salt in the hole where you're planting either pepper, tomatoes, or whatever plant you're planting. Put the 2 or 3 tablespoons, and then plant your whatever plant you're planting, plant it. It would help the plant get all the nutrients it needs. Okay, that's it. I hope this helps you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'll try to answer as many as I can. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all our other videos that are coming up. And thank you very much for watching, and happy growing.